People often ask me what it takes to create better videos, and my answers are probably not what you would think. I really started focusing on video creation for myself in the last couple of years, and I had to shift my thinking so I could start creating videos consistently. In this video, I wanted to share with you 5 habits I had to give up in order to make better and more consistent video content. Number 1, I stopped treating my content creation like a hobby. In looking at the goals I have for our company, I know that content is a big part of this, video content in particular. And if it's going to be such a big part, then I had to write myself in as a client and put in time in my calendar just like I do for clients who are actually paying me money. I do this for my clients, and it only makes sense that I do this for myself. And when I work with clients, they know they need to set aside time to create. I've said this before in other videos, but it's important to treat content like a job instead of what I was doing before, which was creating content whenever the mood struck me. Number 2, I had to stop trying to create the perfect video. If you try to make everything perfect, you won't publish anything at all. I'll do my best not to put something unfinished or unprofessional or just plain wrong out there. But if I'm looking for perfection, I'm not going to find it. So I had to stop trying to put together what I think is the perfect set, the perfect outfit, the perfect tone. The goal, of course, is to do my very best every single time and be happy with the result. Number 3, I had to stop trying to create a video for everyone. And by everyone, I mean a video that will be valuable to my teenage kids, my corporate clients, my entrepreneur clients, and my friends. Instead, I need to focus on the people who need to hear what I have to say at the time I'm trying to say it, in the place they're viewing it. If I'm creating a video for YouTube, I know my audience is business owners or corporate leaders looking to develop their on-camera presence. Even if I'm talking to a TV audience, I know my audience, and I try to tailor how I deliver information to them. For you, that could mean thinking about where you're posting the video first, and then thinking about the type of person who is going to watch. Hone in on that person and talk to that one person first. You get a much more effective video that way. Number 4, I had to stop trying to do everything myself and start delegating. This was a big one. It meant hiring a video editor and getting help with graphics and behind the scenes magic, as I like to call it. This was tough, paying someone else to do something I could do myself. But I realized it was holding me back from creating consistently. I would work on client work with no problem. And then when it came to my own video content, I would put it off because I was busy. If you know what that's like, please let me know that I'm not alone. Post your comments below. Now that I'm hiring out video editing and organizational tasks, I have to show up with content or I'm wasting money. It's a great motivator to create. And finally, number 5, I had to stop guessing about the content my audience wants. I never felt like I was guessing, but I would push out content and not look at the analytics to see what was really working. YouTube allows you to see what your viewers are interested in, and they'll tell you through actions what type of content resonates with them. I'm still working on this one, but really identifying what your audience wants is key to helping you create more great content. Here's how you can start with this. One of the things I work with clients on is figuring out their messaging, and that involves really listening to what people are asking you. If you're a coach or a consultant, or you want to be a coach or a consultant, take a minute to really listen and write down the things people ask you to explain or to do, and see if you can answer those questions in a video. It's a great start. And from there, you can check out the numbers to see if that kind of content really resonates with your people. If this resonates with you, please let me know. I would love to hear how your content creation is going. We can talk about it in the comments. What are your challenges with creating consistently? Subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you're notified when new videos are released. And if you know someone who would benefit from this, please share it. Thank you in advance. Here's what I realized. While I wasn't really consistent with creating content as a whole, I did create it sporadically in chunks. So I also realized what maybe you're realizing as well. I had quite a bit of content in all different places. With the new help I have, I decided to focus on corralling this content and choosing 1 or 2 places, a home, if you will, for it. What that means for me is video content originates here on YouTube. My videos become blogs for my website, and everything gets shared from one of those 2 places. If you want to focus on videos like I'm doing, you can get my Getting Started with Video Guide for free at cheryltanmedia.com/video resources. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.